Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace license plate light bulbs on your Toyota Tundra. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a new set of replacement bulbs, and safety glasses. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Ensure your new bulbs match the correct type for your Tundra model. This simple preparation saves time and effort. Now, let's access the light assembly. Locate the license plate light housing, usually found above the license plate on the rear bumper. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry off the clear or red plastic cover. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid cracking it. Once the cover is off, you can carefully remove the entire light assembly from its mounting points. With the assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulbs. You'll see the bulb socket. Twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. It might be a little snug. Now, insert your new replacement bulb firmly into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly for a good connection. Finally, let's test and reassemble everything. Before putting the cover back on, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulbs illuminate. If they don't, check the bulb's seating and connections, as some LED bulbs are polarity sensitive. Once confirmed, carefully reinsert the light assembly into its mounting points and snap the cover back into place. Ensure it's secure to prevent water intrusion. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.